Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. Today, I'll be guiding you through how you can upload an IGTV video on Instagram. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notifications from us. To upload a video on IGTV on your Instagram, follow the steps. Tap open Instagram application from your app list in order to launch it, and once you do that, from the home screen, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, at the top right corner, you'll be able to see a plus sign. Tap on the plus sign, and from the expanded menu at the bottom, tap on IGTV video. Doing this will take you to your camera roll. Now choose the video you want to upload by simply tapping on it. Once you select the video, tap on the next button at the upper right corner. You can select a cover image from the video frame at the bottom. After you're done, tap on the next button at the upper right corner. Give your video a title by typing it in the first text field, and in the description field, type in a description for your video. Since it's an optional, you can skip this step as well. Before posting your IGTV video, you can also tap on Add to Series. If you want to add your video to an IGTV series, tap on Create your first series if you are creating a new one. Enter the series name and tap on the tick mark at the upper right corner. Under Post a Preview, you can enable the button to show a preview of your video in feed and on your profile. Previews will automatically be the first 15 seconds of your video. To edit the preview, tap on Edit Preview. You can hold the screen to resize your video or to move your video. Select how would you like to display your video preview in this page and tap on Save at the upper right. Now, you can tap on Edit Profile Cover. Now hold the pen to scale to the desired area and tap on Save in the top right. Now, finally, you can post it to IGTV. Tap on Post to IGTV to do so. But if you want to save it as a draft, then tap on Save as Draft and you can use it later on. That is how you can upload an IGTV video on Instagram. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.